power of positive affirmations. Positive affirmations. It's a psychological technique that involves regularly repeating supportive, uplifting, and empowering statements to challenge negative or self-sabotaging thoughts. Rewiring your mind. Affirmations help reprogram your subconscious mind, challenging negative thoughts and fostering a more optimistic outlook. Attracting positivity. Like a magnet, positive affirmations attract positive energy. What you focus on expands, so why not focus on the positive? Practical implementation. Making it a habit, the 21-day rule. Practice your affirmations for at least 21 days to form a new mental pathway. State your affirmations out loud in front of a mirror to start your day with intention. Always speak in the I am, rather than I will be, to ground the shift in the present. Science meets mindset. Beyond just words. At its core, the practice relies on the principle of neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. The reticular activating system is defined as the process of focusing on a specific goal or trait, like, I am a confident speaker. Positive words prime your brain to notice opportunities and resources you might have previously ignored. Neuroplasticity refers to the affirmations that leverage your brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. Studies show that self-affirmation can lower cortisol levels during high-pressure tasks, thereby reducing stress. There are certain benefits too, like reduced stress, lowering cortisol levels by shifting focus away from perceived threats, improved performance, by boosting confidence before high-pressure events like interviews or public speaking. Resilience, creating a mental buffer that helps individuals bounce back from setbacks more quickly. Behavioral change, encouraging healthier habits by reinforcing a positive self-identity, like, I am someone who takes care of my body. Thoughts create feelings, feelings create behavior, and behavior reinforces thoughts. And this cycle keeps going on, and on, and on. Now it's time for your daily 3. Start today. I am capable of achieving my goals. I embrace challenges as opportunities to grow. I am worthy of success and happiness. Write these down and repeat them 3 times before bed.